Hello student, welcome to Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how the new recruitment, which is NIT Warangal, they have released the notification of the few of the vacancies and which is applicable for different discipline, mechanical, electrical and electronics, civil as well. These vacancy is based on a qualification we will discuss in this video. So let's begin with the videos. NIT Warangal just released a notification about the junior engineer, technical assistant, assistant engineer, but we will discuss only for mechanical. There are total 3 type of vacancy in assistant engineer, technical assistant and junior engineer, whereas the assistant engineer is applicable only for civil and electrical. Similarly, for junior engineer, civil and electrical are applicable, and for the technical assistant, all these branches are applicable like civil, electronic and mechanical as well. So for the technical assistant you need to minimum qualified degree are computer science engineering, instrumentation, electronic and telecommunication engineering, electrical and electronic, mechanical and civil, metallurgical and material engineering as well. This is a common degree which you need to minimum qualified to fill this examination. And what the salary is 35,400 is the basic pay as per the level 6 pay matrix, DA allowance and other benefits as well. In hand salary, if we discuss about the in-hand salary, you need to get around 60,000, 55 to 60,000 applicable as per the city as well. In total vacancy for these technical assistant posts are 27. Overall vacancy in the 13 vacancy for unreserved category, OBC 7, SC 4 and ST 1 and EWS 2 vacancy are there. Initially on contract for 2 years. These vacancy based on contract, it's only for the 2 years. It might be extended or not, it's depending on the organization requirement. After that they have mentioned the desired experience. If you applicable, then your chances of probability might be increased in a selection ratio. If not, then still you can fill these forms. They mention like system administration experience in system administrative, network administrative, software developer, database management and data analyst as well. These are related to in general experience, like if you are computer engineering candidate, then they want these type of experience you have, but it's not a compulsory essential experience. If you have, then well and good, otherwise you can also fill without have any experience in it. Similarly like that preferable experience, if you have, well and good, otherwise leave as it is. Going with the next one, what is the age relaxation and other things. As you all know that there are some reservation for different category. If you have maximum 5 years of relaxation in case of SC and scheduled tribes, and for the 3 years for the OBC candidate, and for PWD as per the instruction 10 years of PWD candidate, minimum you need to be disability of 40% you need to have. After that they have like distributed the age, like maximum age for the 38 and 40 years for SC OBC for the widow women candidate. Like that they have distributed all these things, and general instruction are also given in a PDF. If you want those PDF, you can go and join the Telegram channel from our official YouTube page. And if you have any question or any doubt, do comment below. Going with the fee, all those fee structure, the non-refundable fee of 1,000 they have provided for unreserved category and OBC, and also they have mentioned like you need to fill the fee through online or NEFT or credit card, like that. You do not have option to go to bank and fill this fee. And for the 500 fee for reserve candidate like SC ST and all those things, the detailed description and detailed advertisement they have mentioned in the official website. If you want to download, then go and join the Telegram channel. I have also mentioned over there. If you have any question, then do comment below, and if you want to give a feedback to improve our videos, then do comment below. Thanks for watching.